One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I've got here for you today is a 1970 Chevrolet C10. It's a two-wheel drive truck. It's a factory AC truck. Pretty clean. I'm gonna go around and show you any damages and stuff. I mean, we'll do a quick walk around. Then I'll go up close and show you any damages or anything wrong with the truck. It's not perfect. It's a nice project. About the worst thing on it is under the door sills there, and I'll show you that up close. But I like to just kind of show them all in all before I show up close. Nathan, 406-546-8748. You can reach me anytime. Oneownercarguy.com. There'll be like 50, 60 pictures on there. And make sure and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna just start right here and show you wheel wells. Clean, super clean wheel wells. Frames clean. No rust in here. Nice. It's got a pretty nice set of tires on it too. I don't know how old they are. You got some paint flaking off here where they primed over something starting. There could be, yeah, they got stuff under primer here, but it feels all solid and not all rusted out like it's been Bondo to heck. Cracked windshield. And let me show you under here while we're at it. Crack in the grill here. Grill's a little loose. Something else is probably mounted in here. Maybe it was a chips. Miscellaneous chips. There's a dent right here in this fender. And that does have a little bit of corrosion because, well, it got dented and ripped. So, that's that. Pretty clean. Got that whole piece right there. We got some corrosion because he must have a blowout and ripped that piece off. Everything else is clean though. Now this side, we got some in the door right here starting. And this rocker is definitely door sill panel. I don't know what you call it, but definitely rusty. Chips along here. This right here. It's clean. What is that? There's like dirt in there. It's dirt in there. There's dirt in there. Okay. Well, little corrosionary issue starting right there. Lightly under there. I like the guards or whatever. Corrosion on the mirrors. Chips here. Paint chipping. Cab corners seem pretty dang solid. Under the cab. So, it's not that bad. This feels all real. However, the top surface here is picking up corrosion. I don't know if they've done any repair here. There's a ding there. That's nice thick inner fenders here. Tailpipe is rotted off there. That's okay at the bumper. And they definitely put a dent in it here, and there's some filler in that part. Have some filler in there too, just a slight little bit. Some corrosion starting there. Something just got under the paint a little bit. A few dings in the bed. The bed's in great shape. Rolled a little bit right there. Paint checking and coming off of here. Yeah, there's some filler here in this panel. So that's that. There we go on that. Got a fan shroud and a air cleaner back there, cover. A little bit of corrosion right there. Not much. This piece of exhaust is broken right there also. Solid here. Solid. Solid. Not solid. Definitely. Okay, and there's some in the door here. But see here, it's just surface. And the paint's coming off. And there's no filler in this, so I guess that's the best sign. Okay, well that's your once around. Oh, there's a ding right there. Yeah, I mean, it's a project truck. But I want to be completely upfront. That's exactly what I'm selling. This mirror also has corrosion on it. So I'll be back, we'll do the interior. I'll tell you the rest of it. So here I am, different time of night. And Looks good. Like I say, it's not perfect, and I've showed you the major spots on it, but I wanted to get a look this time of the night to where you can see how it looks without the sun glare on it and such. And I want to show you the inside and all that. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Lots of pictures. I'm just going to show you this side first. It doesn't run. It's got a bad motor. It's got a newer seat in it. Windows seal and everything's solid. Roof, nice shape. Visors are in great shape. Foam on the dash there is not in great shape. It is a factory AC car. I'm going to turn my light on. Now we'll know. Tell me, is the light better or not? Does it help you see what we're looking at? Let me know which one's better in the comments if you could. So, there's the... Where's that door sills? They're just rusted, man. That is what it is. And so is the part there on this door. I'll show you the hood, but I'm going to show you the other side first. Man, the fire's bad. The smoke is here. It's actually smoky here. It's getting to be bad air quality for sure. It just generally needs restoration. It's cracked here. Needs the doorknob pin thing on it. Smokers, wing windows. AC vents, baby. This is all folded up too. Nice GT steering wheel, actually. As you can see, I've left the light on now. It's a project, man. It's a restoration. It's something that's going to bring you lots of fun. Here's in the glove box. Lordy, they have a big glove box. The codes are a little worn off. I'll break that. It's busted on the hinge. There's your broken hinge there. Pretty clean under here. Wow. Look how light. I think that's factory. Here's your motor. Clean on the fender wells. It's just the bottom of the door there and in the doors is the worst of it on this truck. Fenders and everything are very clean. Let me get some pictures. All right, here we are. That's the end. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Lots of pictures. Give me a call anytime. 406-546-8748. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And that's that. That's the truck. It's for sale. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We'll talk to you.